In this video, I will review Speechelo text to voice service. I will provide demo where I will show you feature, what are the pros and cons, then price and upsells. I have some coupon codes that you cannot find anywhere else. It will save you a lot of money. Then I have some exclusive bonuses, some video courses and PDF guides, not by me, some experts. First thing first, let's jump to the demo. This is your dashboard. Paste your text here. Under the language, you can obviously change the language. Next to it, there are different voices available depending upon the language you have selected. Actually, you can listen them before applying.
Hi, I'm Billy. I am a native English speaker.
Hi, I'm Rosie. I am a native English.
Hi, I'm Owen. I am a native English speaker.
I'm Rachel. I am a native English speaker.
And next is engine. There are two, standard and AI. AI is much better. Actually, let me show you with an example. So this is the text that I will listen with the both versions, standard and AI.
In this video, I will review Speechelo. In this video, I will review Speechelo.
You see that AI effect. However, AI is not available for every language. It's only available for English, US and UK. But
in the standard version, you can add breathing, emphasize words,
Or adjust speech.
once you are done, click on that generate voice over button. Then you can play the audio. The difference between the play and preview is preview will produce only few seconds, but play will play the whole audio. Next you can download. Next is a download button, so you can attach your audio with a video using any editor. I personally use Filmora 9. Now talk about cons of the or limitation of Speechelo. Actually, it's good for the English languages because there is a AI effect, but it's average for non-English languages. There is no edit button. Once you have generated, you can download it anytime, but you cannot get the script back to made few changes, so you can generate it again. Good for it is actually good for the educational and tutorial videos, but however it lack emotion, so it's not good for the sales video. I mean, you cannot add or any laughing effect because machine is a machine.
Now talk about pricing and coupon codes. First I will talk about pricing and upsells, and then I'll share coupon code. The front-end version, which is their standard plan, will cost you $47 without coupon code. You will get 23 languages of 30 voices. The main limitation of the standard plan is you can use only 700 words or 5,000 characters at a time. Use more than once in case you have a longer script. The first upsell is the Speechelo Pro version. In this, you will get an extra 30 voice, so you will end up having 60 voices. Other than this, according to the company, there is no limit of characters like a standard plan. But in reality, you have a limit of 20,000 characters, which I think is more than enough. The downside of the Pro plan is its price is quarterly. $47 after every 4 months. Wait, I have a solution for this, that I'm gonna share after talking about Speechelo Tube. The Speechelo Tube is the last additional upgrade. Basically it can copy any YouTube audio. Just type video URL, it will automatically convert that video audio into a voice that you have selected. Additionally, you can translate it into 23 languages. In short, it's like Google Translate for YouTube videos. The Tube plan will cost you $47 for lifetime access. Now talk about the most important part, coupon codes.
For the front-end version, the following steps will save your $10. Open the link from the description. Then click on the Buy Now button. It will take you to the checkout page. In the URL, change coupon code with Founders37 as I did and press enter. It's $37 as you can see. For the Pro version, I have a trick. Basically you don't have to pay quarterly fees. You will this page where they sell Pro version at $47/quarterly. Just click on the No and voila, you can get Pro version at one-time payment. Just for $77. I haven't discovered anything related to the Tube plan that I will write in the description as soon as I get something.
Okay guys, here is the deal. You buy Speechelo through my affiliate link. I'm going to provide some custom bonuses from my side. this page where all the custom bonuses available. You will get a link in the description. So these are the bonuses for Facebook Google Ads bootcamp. It's why data driven. Its cost is $200. You can check on their website, and it's from someone who have generated more than $1 billion in through Google Ads. Okay, same we have a video Facebook ads course, and we have Naha's YouTube secrets. I'm just highlighting some amazing bonuses, but you will get all of them. So he has 57,000 YouTube subscribers, and in the business niche, it's pretty difficult to grow channel in the business niche. He run the 8-figure business, and so why don't you learn somebody who has done the YouTube? Probably that's why you're buying Speechelo. There are a lot of other custom bonuses available as well. So you will get that page link in the description. And here is how to claim your bonuses. You buy Speechelo through my affiliate link. Any link available in the description or this page. So just make sure on the its affiliate is HIRND, and then mail your receipt that you are going to receive on your email. Mail me at the admin@globalwestoffer. I'm sorry for that, and I'm going to provide all custom bonuses under 24 hours.